kitchen is ready. Our kitchen is ready. You guys, our kitchen is ready. Are you guys ready to see our kit? Ooh. I'm crazy. Are you guys ready to see our kitchen? You see, you see, you see. Ooh, you see, you see, you see. Ooh. All right, you guys ready to see it? Let's go show you the kitchen. Let's go show you the kitchen. Before I show you the kitchen, give this video a thumbs up right now. And if you haven't, subscribe right now. And if your notification is not on, turn on your notification right now. Let's go see the kitchen. How happy I am. You guys, welcome to our new kitchen. You guys, welcome to our brand new kitchen. Oh my gosh, don't know where to start. Babe giving you guys a long shot of how the kitchen looks. Ta-da! From that to this. And it might look black to you guys, but it's actually gray. So let's see where we start. Let's start from this end. If you guys can see, we have a little island thing going on here. Island thing going on. And I love this counter that we chose. It look a little bit marbly, but it's perfect. So yeah, that's our counter. And as you enter into the kitchen, right here, we have closet number one, or should I say cupboard number one. And in cupboard number one, you have this cute little pull-out section, and it's actually two of them. So I have this cute little pull-out, which I super love. Ooh. So let's push that back in. And I'm just hurrying to give you guys this tour real quick because the kitchen literally just finished. All right. Then move on to right here. We have this top drawer, which is for the utensils. Then we have one big drawer right here and another big drawer right here. Then moving on, if you guys remember that there was the water heater here that we took down and got rid of. Then moving on, and the water heater was here, which is now gone. Then you come to the queen spot. The stove is here, and the stove that was here before was 3 burner. Now we have 4, and it was digital timer, digital touch thing. Now we have this one, which I super love. I deliberately chose this one instead of the punching digital. Ain't nobody have time for that. And now your girl have her favorite thing. I have my oven. Look at that, brand spanking new oven. It's just calling me. Look at that, it's calling me, shawty. And they left us a little gift in there. That looks cute. Then beside that, you have another cupboard, which this one is the turntable, and there is two. This one doesn't come all the way out like the one that I showed you at first. So that's another cupboard. And in here, that's under the sink. This is where the garbage bin should go, but our bin at the current moment is very tall, so it can't hold under there. So we're gonna have to find another one which is super neat to fit under there perfectly. And we changed from the metal sink that we had. Can you see in it? We changed from the metal sink we have to this kind of material. I don't remember what this material is called, but it's super cute. And then I specifically chose this this pipe. And then in here, which we didn't have before, is tan 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 ta-da! This is our new dishwasher, you guys, and I think the size is perfect. It's super cute. And we are looking forward to use it, especially babe, because babe don't like to wash dishes. So that's the new dishwasher. And around here, can you see properly? You want to go there? Around here, we have, do you know what this is? The fridge! We have the fridge. The fridge is not as big as our previous fridge, but it fits perfectly and we'll make it work. So this is the fridge. Down here is the freezer, and up there is the fridge, which is super cute. And down here in the freezer, we have two sections. There we go. So that's the freezer and that's the fridge. And then we come up here, we have the microwave, which is built in, and the microwave is a perfect size. We really don't want anything bigger than that. So there goes our Whirlpool microwave, and I think our microwave is super cute. And then we have a lift up cupboard up here, which you can put whatever we want. And then over here we have another cupboard, a lot of space, and another one just beside it, which is a twin. It's super huge and I love it. Then come over here. You guys see the amount of space that I have in this kitchen. I love it. We have another cupboard over here. This one is built in perfectly and it has so much storage space up there, a lot of shelves. I love it. So there we go with that. And then in this one goes the air vent. Is going to be in here. However, if you watch previous vlogs, then you would have known that they don't have the one that we request in stock, so they're ordering it, and it's gonna be here in a few weeks. So then they're gonna come back to install that. So for now, we won't put anything in here. We won't show that. And then come to the favorite section that should be in every French house, the wine section. So this is where we're gonna put all the alcohols in here. And there you have it, guys. Look at this counter. It's huge all the way around there. So there you go, guys, with the tour of our little kitchen. We love it. I'm going to wipe it down, sanitize everything, and then pack in all our goodies so that we can get back this house back in a little order. So there you go, guys. I'm excited to cook our first meal in here over the weekend. Anyway, you guys, I know you guys have been long awaiting this kitchen just like we have been, and hopefully you guys will love it as much as we love it. So thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and stay tuned to see what we are gonna renovate next in this house, because we still have a lot to do. Love you guys. Catch fun, keep up, subscribe if you are new, comment down below and turn on the notification. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys in our next video.